आप लोग कहेंगे स्टाइल टेक्सटाइल इज द बेस्ट, यानी मशरक हो या मगरब हो, हमारी स्टाइल टेक्सटाइल इज द बेस्ट है। ठीक है जी। मैं आज शुरू करता हूँ। इन द नेम ऑफ अल्लाह द मोस्ट बेनिफिशिएंट एंड मर्सीफुल। लाखों दरूद करोड़ों सलाम आका दो जहां हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम और आप की आल पाक पर, जिसकी खातर कुल कायनात बनी। Most welcome to all my senior staff and my junior, my colleagues. It's a great emotion for me and pride. I have completed my 24 years of my services with Style Textile today. East or West, Style Textile is the best. Everyone knows Style Textile established with the mission of excellence by giving the quality products in time and the best value, and place customer first by giving the quality products in time and the best values. And the most important thing which brings Style Textile on the road to progress: number 1, value of quality; number 2, accountability; number 3, personal growth; number 4, discipline. Our Style Textile team is very strong, and Style Textile always stand first, not only in Pakistan but also all over the world and international market also. It is because of untiring efforts of our honorable CEO Shahzad Asghar Ali and Sameer Asghar Ali, who bring the Style Textile on the road to progress. East or West?
Style Textile.
East or West? Both brothers, Sameer Asghar Ali and Shahzad Asghar Ali, the very great man in the world. More further, I want to say we should build the foundations of our beloved Style Textile very deep, and we should lift these foundations to the sky. East or West, Style Textile is the best. Inshallah, in near future, our Style Textile will shine out in the international market and the world market. So, at the last, I would like to thank my senior who gave me the support and encouragement and helping me. Therefore, I have done better my job. 24 years completed in Style Textile. At last, everyone say with me, East or West, Style Textile is the best. Thank you to all my colleagues and my seniors who participate this happy event, and inshallah we will sustain our work and we will sustain our happiness with Style Textile. East or West once again? East or West? Thank you very much for all.